Drop a like in the next 5 seconds if you want these brain rots for yourself, because in today's video we are going to be using the latest codes and secret methods to get brand new brain rots for free. Make sure you subscribe to the channel with all notifications turned on and comment down your Roblox username, because I will be sending some lucky viewers free brain rots. In today's video we are going to go from 0 to a trillion by using these brain rot codes and secret tricks. Hey guys, today we have brand new recipes and secret tricks that will help you get the latest secret and OG brain rots. The steps are very simple and easy, but make sure you do not skip any step, because if you skip anything, it will not work properly. These tricks are very secret and we found them very early, so make sure you follow everything quickly before they get patched. Now let's start with the first step. First, you need to climb on top of the shop UI, then open the chat and type the secret message carefully. After typing the message, jump 2 times and this will complete your first step. Now for the second step, you need to collect 3 brain rots. The first brain rot will spawn, go ahead and purchase it and bring it to your base. Then collect the second brain rot and bring it to your base as well. Finally, collect the third brain rot, which adds the Easter luck, and bring it to your base. Now you have all 3 brain rots. For the third step, you need to place these brain rots in specific positions exactly as required. After placing them correctly, you need to sell them one by one in order. This will activate the code completely. Now for the final step, go behind an empty base and climb onto the small platform. Go to the code redeem section. Now get ready to enter the code.